Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office, and today I have the Tile, and this one here is the Tile Slim. So this is the new Tile Slim. I had one of the old ones in my wallet, but it died. So you need to upgrade every once in a while, which kind of sucks. That's kind of why I like these little Tile Pros, because it's got a replaceable battery in it there. Didn't flip you all off, but so let's just take a look and see how the Slim looks. The new one here comes in a whole big, huge cardboard thingy, and this is what it looks like. Holy cow, that's way bigger than the old one, but, well, now it's wanting to connect. But you can see it's like a credit card. Basically, it's the size of a credit card. It's pretty thin though. I think it's even thinner than my old one, so it's kind of nice. So I'll stick this in my wallet as if it was a credit card, and it seems pretty loud, but let's go ahead and connect this thing up here and see how it goes. So I'm gonna do add a tile and activate a tile, and then it's one of these. I'll click the next button, and because I already pushed the button on it, it should be finding it. So let's see, hold the device next to your phone. Could take 10 seconds. And there it goes, it's activating the tile. And then I'll do next. And my tile's connected to my Alexa already. And this is gonna be my wallet. And now I can click find, and it works. And then I guess you push the button, the little tile button on there, and it turns it off, and done. So there we go. So now, it's finding my thing. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. This is the Tile Slim. So it's kind of cool. It's like a credit card size. Actually, I'm gonna go show you my old one so you can see what it looks like. A wallet. So let's see what the old one looked like here. The old one was right there. So this is my old one here, and you can see, oh, it actually did beep now. That's just funny. It wasn't working before, but now it seems to be working. So I don't know, maybe I'll wait on this one here, but you can kind of see it's a little bit thicker than the new one, but it's super slim and small. You see it's way smaller. The new one's got bigger, but the new one fits like a credit card. So in my wallet, I can just stick it in a credit card place, and there, and now it would be protected. So that's kind of cool. I didn't even know the old one was still working, so that's kind of cool. It said it was dead, but maybe it was just low on battery or something, so whatever. So maybe I can just use this one for a little while until it's completely dead, and then I'll switch over. But cool. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description. This is the Tile Slim here. Put a link to it in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.